Did you know that you could make up to $525 every day just by typing names in your laptop or any gadget that you have? I can't believe it too at first, but then I saw the amount being debited into my account instantly after trying this typing job. Let me show you how it works when you type a name like John, Ben, or Mary. This is a once in a lifetime chance, so better stick with me until the end of this video. As you can see, typing one page of names will pay you $15. 5 pages of names entered will pay you $75. 20 pages, $300. 35 pages of names typewritten per day will give you $525. There are no limits in this platform. Type as much as you can and generate as much money as you want. You can definitely do this on your phone, laptop, or iPad. It's completely free and accessible anywhere, anytime, around the globe. Stay with me until the end of this video to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which can be a little difficult for beginners. Most of you will get it wrong if you skip the remaining half of this video. I will also show you how to earn 3 times more money than the rest. There's a bonus website that I'll be mentioning later, so keep watching. Before we go further, welcome to our Make Money Online channel, where I will teach you all the legitimate and proven way to make money on the internet. All the online tips, ideas, and tricks are published here, and you won't see them anywhere, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell for our daily updates. Now you can use the calculator on this website so you can easily estimate the amount of money you can make from this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Keep in mind that the rate per word is the amount of money you can get for every word that you type. 5 cents in US dollars, one page has roughly 300 words. Just type the name project here, page 1. Type the name project here, page 2. As an example, you can get paid already just by entering and typing names on each of these pages. As an example, you can get paid already just by entering and typing names on each of these pages. Let me show you this link where you can earn $15 for writing only 300 words. Scrolling down, you see that there are 300 names here in total. Inputting names can earn you $15 and 300 words per page. You cannot get that money elsewhere just by doing this. Take a look at this and you can get up to 35 pages per day. Imagine earning $525 per day just by typing names on this website. This website is called talentdesire.com. You don't need to invest a single cent to get started. No need to pay upfront fees. You can start for free. This opportunity is completely free, and we're going to focus on online typing jobs in this video because it's one of the easiest things you can do here. When you scroll down, you'll notice that they offer a lot of work at home options. It can be online proofreading jobs, blogging, translation, and answer paid surveys. You have a wide range of options when it comes to job listings. But for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on online typing jobs. It takes no prior expertise or technical knowledge at all. Just go ahead and click on this red button here to learn more. It will show you that you may earn anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 per year on this page. This is a very wonderful opportunity for those who have free time to do a simple typing job. As you can see, this is completely for free. No hidden fees and charges, so this is definitely not a scam. You will see here that you can get paid at different rates depending on your skill level. If you are a beginner or an expert, you will still earn in this website. If you are a total beginner at this job, you can still get rewarded. You don't need to be an expert or a fast typer because I'll show you this strategy that not a lot of people know yet. Just visit the rottotype.com website. This is the website and you can take a free typing test here. Then right here, click the yellow button and you'll be directed to this page and you may begin typing on your phone or laptop. Take the speed typing test so you can get a typing certificate from here. You can get it for free. You will need this certificate because it will boost your income and rates on every page. If you want to earn $20 per page for your typing, just acquire a typing certificate like this one. This is the secret to get you accepted fast and to get access to more high-paying jobs and the vast number of job opportunities. A certificate is a proof of your skill. This can instantly land you a job that will pay you $300 or even $600 or more every single day. So watch every detail in this video to understand how you can get your certificate and complete your talentdesire.com application. Once you start typing on this page, the site will calculate how many words per minute you are able to type, as well as your accuracy and spelling grade. Your typing mistakes will also be taken into account. Aim an accuracy of 98 to 99%, and you will see the more accurate you are, the more money you can make. This is a demonstration of your typing speed and accuracy. A certificate will instantly increase your payout rate. This is a real-life example of how to take this test right now and obtain a free certificate in less than 5 minutes. Once I'm done with the typing test, it will show me my typing speed. This is my accuracy rate and actual results. Don't worry if your accuracy is less than 98%. You can return to ratatype.com and take the typing test for free until your speed or accuracy improves. Scroll down, then click on this link. Click to join and sign up for a free account by typing in your name, email address, and password. Click on the I agree to the terms and condition. Click the sign up button once you've reached a good result. Scroll down and click on the certificate. You have been awarded a certificate with your name here for typing in English. This is the ratatype.com signature for legitimacy verification. Treasure the certificate to get a much higher typing rate. Don't exit this video just yet because I'm going to teach you to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $50 for projects over and over again. You can actually click on this print button right here when you scroll down. Don't worry, you can do this on your computer or on your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is screenshot your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Here is the Save button to click. Let's go back to talentdesire.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click this red button that says Apply Now. You will be directed to this page and start applying for a typing job. This is quite tricky, so pay close attention or you will fail to find the registration page. Now scroll down and check what are the available jobs, then select an application to use. Let's go to this page after that. This is where you can apply work from home job online. Click this red link that says fill in your data to apply and work with us. If you'll notice, the registration page is hidden. You can rewatch this video if you can't find it. When you scroll down further below, you'll see the part where you will fill in your personal information. Accept the privacy policy, enter your first and last name, input your email address, phone number, country, and click down the arrow to move on the next page. This is your professional information that many people forget about. Just put Professional Data Entry Specialist in this job title field. It is important that you type the job title exactly like this one. Then select the best schedule for you. After that, click the down arrow and choose this anytime you want. I suggest all day because this will open your profile to more job opportunities and more chances to make money online, but it's up to you. Then select your best choice for collecting your income. It can be Payoneer, PayPal, wire transfer, or direct bank deposit. I personally use Payoneer, so this is what I choose. Then scroll further to choose your current professional status and click one of them right here. I click self-employed. Then click yes and don't forget to put in your name. Click I am not a robot and then hit the submit button. Once you are accepted, you can now start receiving typing jobs like this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words. Make sure to submit your job on time to keep receiving more job opportunities every day. Take a look at my other videos to make money online. If you like it, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in my next video.